In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix white space on your WordPress website efficiently and effectively. If you're diving into website design or are even a seasoned developer, you might sometimes encounter unwanted white space on your site. It can be annoying, right? But fear not, let's walk through this process together to solve it step by step. First things first, let's talk about how important it is to identify the source of this white space. It could be coming from various places, such as unwanted padding or margins in the theme you're using, a plugin, or perhaps it's just a bit of excess code. By understanding where it's coming from, you'll not only solve today's issues but also prevent them from happening in the future. So, let's dive into our first task, inspecting the problematic area. Fire up your website in a browser and navigate to the page where you're experiencing this unwanted white space. Once you're there, right-click on the area and select Inspect or Inspect Element, depending on your browser. Now, you'll be able to see the specific code elements that are contributing to this gap. You're looking for any irregularities related to padding or margin, like excessive pixel values that shouldn't be there. Once identified, make a note of the style rules causing this additional space. At this point, it's handy to know a little CSS, as our next move requires implementing a bit of it. Head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Appearance and then Customize. Within the Customizers menu, you'll find an option for additional CSS. This is where the magic happens. Enter conditional CSS rules to adjust those margin or padding values. A little tweaking can go a long way. For example, you might want to set margin 0 or reduce padding to your desired size. Now, some white space issues might be arising not just because of CSS but due to plugin settings. Jump into the Plugins section of your dashboard and deactivate each plugin one by one to see if any of them are causing the problem. Remember, it's absolutely vital to back up your website before deactivating plugins, as a precaution. If a plugin is at fault, consider checking if there's an update available or contact the plugin's support for resolution advice. In some cases, the WordPress theme itself may be introducing extra white space. Navigate to Appearance again, but this time select Theme Editor. Caution is crucial here, any changes will directly affect your website. Look through your theme's header, footer, and main CSS files, and accordingly, adjust any identified problematic values. Make appropriate adjustments, keeping a backup of your original theme files safely stored. Now, having made these changes, remember to clear the browsers and WordPress cache to ensure nothing stored is affecting the way your site is displayed. Refresh your web page to see your updates in action. If done correctly, the unwanted white space should be a thing of the past. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through fixing white space issues on your WordPress site, gaining a bit of valuable experience and knowledge in the process. Your website not only looks better but functions smoothly, making for a great user experience. If you have any further queries, feel free to leave them below, and thank you for tuning in today.